About 2, 3 years ago, when we looked at our lube room, um, our organization wasn't well, and we knew we had to do something. And so we looked at what we could do to better ourselves in lubrication best practices. I said, well, I want to build a lube room. And so they said, all right, let's do it. And so we just started drawing things out on a piece of paper, literally, and went from there.
Well, I've been here at Georgia Pacific for 31 years. And from back then to now, that was primal back then. Now we're pretty much state of the art. With the lube room set up now, we can keep everything super, super clean, where we didn't have that. These setups here, we can come in and we do this every Thursday and Friday. We pull these little buttons that are on the faces of each one of these stations, and it will automatically cycle the oil through. These codes that corporate has set for us is very, very high. You'd have to take one of your hairs off your head and cut it into maybe 100 slices, and that's how far we're taking this cleanliness code down to one particle. This whole program is spread now, not just from the lube room, but also out to the equipment.
We started adding in kidney loop systems to our smaller capacity lubrication assets. So our oil is getting continuously filtered on all those assets. Lubrication best practices is really a simple task. And it's a lot of the little things that can either make you or break you or in the success of what you're gonna do.
We are Georgia Pacific of Toledo, and we are the 2025 Lube Room Challenge champions.